At ayan na nga par, nanalo po ang ating kababayang si Vincent Astrolabio. Sa round 1 lang po, tinapos niya si Prasitsak Paprum ng Thailand. So tara par, ang ganda ng kanilang laban at napaka humble pa rin ang ating kababayan. No? Talagang naawa din siya sa sinapit ng kanyang kalaban na si Prasitsak. So tara par, panoorin niyo po ang kaganapan. Ngayon lang po ito nangyari at congrats po sa ating kababayang si Vincent Astrolabio. So let's go, ating panoorin.
With 4 defeats and 2 bouts even, si Chak Paprom of 19 wins, 14 wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, Vincent Astrolabio.
Now it's happening already after some fight with Pratprong already. I think he fought in Macau, 1 wins and 2 losses and a 2 draw.
York boxers. And of course, Vincent Astrolabio, it's been a year.
May gigil factor kasi si Astrolabio eh. He is trying to
I did an interview with him yesterday and he said that his last fight, no, that was a wake up.
Sa 120, we never know kung si Astrolabio lalaban na. That left upper did connect for Astrolabio.
As early as this round, the first 2 minutes of this round, Astrolabio going specifically on the...
Oh wow! A barrage of...
well-strung combination by Vincent Astrolabio.
A first round knockout win for Vincent Astrolabio.
The new Vincent Astrolabio.
I don't want ayoko makakita ng fighter na nahirapan
Of course,
o nahirapan o ano yan.
Here we have the replay on,
because marami rin siyang na-receive na mabibig.
Masayuki looking forward to training 121 for the round is going to be Prasitsak Paprom from Bangkok, Thailand. 121. This.